Hi, my name is Dr. Duddeck. I'm a dentist and managing director of the Clean Implant Foundation, a non-profit organization that performs non-biased quality assessment on dental implants. In the last 10 years, we analyzed more than 250 different dental implants. And what I found in the scanning electron microscope is presumably beyond your imagination. Copper, tin, chromium, nickel, iron, tungsten, and even antimony, Teflon, and other organic material. So the question is, should we expect problems out of contaminants found on sterile packaged dental implants? Definitely yes. But yes, there are still companies and implant manufacturers you can trust. So if you want to find out more, want to stay on the safe side, legally and clinically, I invite you to join my lecture.